أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, Course 4, page 13, pointer C, Surah Al-Baqarah, verses 91 to 92. We saw each juz has been divided into 4 parts and each part has 5 pages. The first 5 pages, 1 to 5, we studied in QC2 with 1 to 37 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah. The next 5 pages, page 6 to 10, we studied in QC3 and they were starting from 38 up to 76, mean the 39 ayahs. The third 5 pages, page 11 to 15, now we are studying in this QC4 and they start from 77 up to 105 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah. And the last 5 pages, that is page 16 to 20, inshallah, we will study in QC5, starting with 106 up to 141, mean the 36 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah. The first juz has 141 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah, which inshallah we will complete in QC5. Let's keep the pointers on the right hand for the page 11. They are ignorant masses, fire won't touch, rule of justice, covenant of Bani Israel. Once again, ignorant masses, fire won't touch, rule of justice, covenant of Bani Israel. The pointers for the 12th page are covenant of blood, killing and evictions, beliefs in parts, treatment with Musa and Isa and other messengers. Once again, covenant of blood, killing and eviction, belief in parts, treatment with Musa and Isa and other messenger. Let's to revise the brief pointer for the page 11. Ignorant fire rule covenant. Ignorant fire rule covenant. And for the 12th page, they are covenant of blood killing parts Musa and Isa. Covenant of blood killing parts Musa and Isa. Let's to proceed the page 13. The first pointer is rejecting the book. Second is evil transactions of kufr. And the third is we believe in our books. And the fourth is covenant with Tur above. Let's to keep them on the fingers for the page 13, rejecting the book, evil transactions of kufr, we believe in our book, covenant with Tur above. Once again, rejecting the book, evil transactions of kufr, we believe in our book, covenant with Tur above. Let's revise the brief pointer for the page 13, rejecting evil transaction, believe Tur. Rejecting evil transaction, believe Tur. So let's proceed. Today's we will study the third pointer of page 13. That is, we believe in our books. Now, the link with the previous verses is Allah continues describing the distorted faith and evil actions of Bani Israel. They were not good followers of Musa alayhi salam. Remember, our situation is very much similar. Astaghfirullah. So let's try to focus on how we can save ourselves from such mistakes. So this is the first ayah of today. If somebody want to recite, please recite it. Okay, brother Mustafa.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا بما أنزل الله قالوا نؤمن بما أنزل علينا ويكفرون بما وراءه وهو الحق مصدقا لما معهم قل فلم تقتلون أنبياء الله من قبل إن كنتم مؤمنين. And when it is said to them, believe in what Allah has revealed, They say, we believe only in what was revealed to us, and they disbelieve in what came after it, while it is the truth confirming that which is with them. Say, then, why did you kill the prophets of Allah before, if you were believers?
Jazakallah khair, brother. Let's to see the next ayah. Yes, who would like to recite this time?
I can recite, sir.
Okay, Sister Fatima.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولقد جاءكم موسى بالبينات ثم اتخذتم الإجل من بعده وأنتم ظالمون. And indeed Moses came to you with clear signs. Then you took the calf after he left, a calf in worship after he left, and you were wrongdoers.
Jazakumullah khair, brothers and sisters. Let's to look the words coming in these ayahs. Wow, wow is a harf. Iza is a ism zarf. Kila. Yes, what this kila is a fail harf.
Fail,
Which fail?
majhul,
Madi majhul. Madi and then
madi majhul.
okay. La is a harf, whom is a zamir ism, so it's jar majur. Aminu. This waw alif telling is madi. Amina. Aminu. It's a four letter starting with Hamza, so Babi's ifal pattern is aslam. B is a harf jar followed ism majur. So ma is here ism majur. Bima jar majur. Anzala. Yes, what is this anzala? Ism fail harf.
Of course, fail, sir.
Fail, mazi, four letter, starting with Hamza,
Madi,
Babi,
madi.
Fal, and Aslam pad. Allah isme jalala is ism.
Aslam.
Qalu, it's a madi. Remember, waw alif come in the mazi as well as in amr. For confirming what we do, we will repeat. Qala yaqulu qul. Look, the amr is coming kul and plural should be kulu. So it's not kulu, it's qalu. So it's madi. The next word is nu'minu. What is this nu'minu?
Fail,
It's Muzare for Mazid fi
Mudare
for
and for
Amana.
the first person
Mudare.
is the mutakallim plural. B is a harf jar. Ma is the isme masula, so it's jar majur. Unzila. What about the unzila? Ism fail harf.
fail.
Fail. But why it is having dhamma?
Unzila, because it's aslama pattern and also mazhul.
No. That is only in mudare. Aslama does not have the dhamma in maji. It have
Yeah,
yuslim
because
in mudari. It is not
because
mudari, it's madi.
madi majhul.
It's madi majul because madi majul formula is fu'ila. The first letter dhamma and second have a kasra. Here it's a four letter, so its second letter is za. It is having kasra. So it's a madi majul from mazid fi. Next is ala. Ala is a harf. Na is a zamir, ism. So alayna is a jar majur. Waw is a harf. Yakfuruna. What's about yakfuruna? Ism fail harf.
Fail.
Fail Muzare
Fail.
Kafara
Mudare,
Jama.
ghaib, plural. Okay. B is a harf jar. Ma is a ism masula jar majur. Warahu. Who is a separate verb? Zamir. Remove it. What about the wara? Ism fail harf.
Ism.
Ism. It's zarf, just like fauka, tahta,
Behind.
kabla, mama, vara, bad, and ma, inda. They all are zarf and ism. So vara is also a ism. The next word is wa. Wa is a harf. Huwa is a zamir ism. Al-haqqu. Al-haqqu alif lam telling is an ism. Musaddiqan. The fatatan, the fatah tanween telling is an ism. Lima, li is a harf jar followed by ism majroor. So lima is a jar majroor. Ma'a, what is this ma? Ism fail harf.
Ism.
Ism, because ma and inda in QC1 we learned that ma and inda they are ism because they are zar. So whom is a zamir ism. Next is the kul. What about kul? Ism fail harf.
Fail.
فعل أمر
فعل أمر
فعل
قال
أمر.
يقول قل. So kul is a amr. Fa is a harf, la is a harf, ma is a. But here we will say fa and lima. Lima is a one harf. It's for the question. Taktuluna. What's about taktuluna? It's some failed harf.
Fail.
Fail mudahare. And it's
Mudari.
third, mean the second person. Hazir or mukhatib. Ambiya. What about ambiya? It's some failed harf.
Ism.
It's pluralism of Nabi. Okay. Allah ismi jalala ism. Min is a harf. Jar. And after it's ismi majroor. So kablu is a ismi majroor. So min kablu is a jar majroor. In is a harf. What about the kuntum? Ism fail harf.
فعل
Fail.
Fail. Which fail?
Kana.
ماضي
Madi. When we
Madi.
say
For
fail, we have to
Kana.
tell it is a Madi Mudare Amr. So it's a Madi from the table. Kana, Kanu, Kunta, Kuntu, Kuntum. Next is a Mu'minina. What is about Mu'minina? Ism fail harf.
Of course, ism.
اسم جمع
Ism Jamma, masculine, plural, and common noun. The next is Waw. Waw is a harf. La is a harf. Kad is a harf. Ja'a is a Madi verb. Kum is a Zamir ism. Musa is a ism. Bil bayinat. B is a harf jar. So what about al bayinat?
Ism.
اسم actually اسم مجرور
It's alif lam telling, and moreover it have at the end alif ta mean feminine plural. It's a feminine word and plural. Summa is a harf. Ittakhaztum. What about ittakhaztum? Ism fail harf.
Fail.
It's fail madi because tum is coming.
Madi.
It is from
Madi.
babi iftiyar. Next
Ittakhadha.
is yes, sister.
No. I just told that it is coming from ittakhadha.
Ittakhaza is actually babe iftiyar. Al-ijla, alif lam telling is an ism. Min is a harf jar. Followed ism majrur, badi. Badi is a ism majrur. And so jar majrur. He is a zamir ism. Wa is a harf. Antum is a zamir ism. Zalimun. What about zalimun?
Ism.
Ism. All waw nun ending, they are ism, except those
Ism.
which have in the beginning either ya, as the yakfuruna, have a ta, just like taftuluna. So if ya and ta come, then they are not ism, then they are fail. If there is no ya and ta, then they normally they come as a, if it was not ya, kafuruna or kafrun, it is from kafir, kafurun. It was ism, but ya has made it a verb. So here it is no ya, no ta, so it's a ism. Let's to have another look on the ayah. Waw is a harf, iza ism, kila fail mazi majhul, la is a harf, hum is a ism zamir, amanu is a madi verb, babi faal, bi is a harf, ma is a ism, anzala is a fail madi 4 letter, so babi faal, Allah isme jalala, qalu the madi verb plural, nu'minu the mudari verb plural for the mutakallim. Bi is a harf, ma is a ism, unzila is the madi verb, babi faal, ala is a harf, na is a ism. Waw is a harf. Yakfuruna the mudari verb from kafara yakfuru and plural is yakfuru. Bi is a harf, ma is a ism, wara is a ism, hu is a zamir ism, waw is a harf, huwa is also a zamir ism, al-haq alif lam telling is an ism, musaddiqan again the tanween telling it's an ism, li is a harf jar, ma is followed ism majroor, ma'a is a ism, is a zamir ism. Kul is a amr fail. Fa is a harf. Lima is a harf. Taktuluna is a mudari verb. Ambiya ism plural. Nabi is the singular. Allah is the ism jalala ism, min is a harf, qablu is a ism, and in is a harf, kuntum is a madi verb, mu'minin again is an ism. All those which are red, they are haruf. All those which are green are verb afal. All those which are blue are asma. Waw is a harf, la is a harf, kad is a harf, ja'a the madi verb, is a ism zamir, Musa is a ism, bi is a harf, al bayinat is a ism, summa is a harf, ittakhaztum is a madi verb from babi fa'al, iftiyal. Al ijla is a ism, min is a harf, badi is a ism, he is a zamir ism, wa is a harf, antum is a ism, zalimun is again ism masculine, plural and common noun. Let's do look the lesson learned from these both ayahs. Jews rejected the Prophet Muhammad message, saying they will only obey in what was revealed to them in the Torah. Allah points out to the insincerity in their claim by saying, if you were true followers of the Torah, then would you not have killed you would not have killed the prophets nor worshipped a calf. Look, the new words in each line, sifr, 1, 1, sifr, sifr, sifr. On average, less than 1 in each line. Let's do go forward and the phrase for phrase translation and the explanation. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. What is a and when kila it is said lahum to them. Aminu believe bima in what anzalallah Allah has revealed. Qalu they say. Nu'minu we believe bima in what unzila was revealed alayna to us wa yakfuruna and they disbelieve bima in what wara is beside it wa huwa al-haq while it is the truth musaddiqan confirming lima what ma'ahum is with them in the Torah. Let's to see the explanation. Bani Israel, when were asked to believe in the Quran, they used to say, we believe in Torah only and we reject everything else. However, belief in Torah required them to believe in the Quran because of two reasons. First, Torah says that Prophet Muhammad will come. The arrival of Prophet Muhammad and the Quran is a proof that the Torah is true. The second, the Quran testifies to the truthfulness of the Torah, that Torah is a book of Allah. Alif. So kindly somebody please revise this ayah.
Can I do this, sir?
Okay, Sister Fatima.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa idha and when qila it is said lahum to them aminu believe bima in what anzalallahu has revealed Allah has revealed qalu they say nu'minu we believe bima in what unzila was revealed alayna to us or upon us wayakfuruna and they disbelieve bima in what ara'ahu besides it. Sir, ara'a means besides or back. Anyway, besides it. Wahuwa while it al-haqqu is the truth musaddiqan lima confirming what ma'hum with them.
Jazakallah khair. Let's to preach the next part. Qul say falima then why taqtuluna you kill anbiya the prophets Allah of Allah min qablu before it in if kuntum you were mu'minin mean the believers. So Quran reveals the hollow claims of their belief now. They had killed prophets of Allah. Allah asked them, does your iman tell you to kill the prophets or worship a calf? The reality is that you are wrongdoers. Let's to take a hadith here. Hazrat Umar Razilullah Ta'ala anhu, who said in long hadith, he Jibreel then inquired, tell me about the Iman. He Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, it is to believe in Allah, His angels, His books, His messengers, and the last day, and that you believe in preordination, mean the destiny, its bad and good consequences. He said, you have spoken the truth. So it is آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر والقدر خيره وشره من الله تعالى والبعث بعد الموت. So it is the complete Iman. I mean, Iman Mufassal it is called. So let's revise this part of the ayah. Yes, somebody kindly revise this part too. Okay, brother Mustafa, please complete it.
Okay, sir. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل say فلما then why تقتلون أنبياء did you kill the prophets أنبياء Allah prophets of Allah من قبل before إن كنتم مؤمنين if you were believers.
Let's see the next ayah. Walakad, and indeed Ja'akum came to you Musa sorry Musa's bil bayinat with the clear sign. Summa takhastu, and then you took al ijla the calf min ba'dihi after him, wa antum, and you were zalimun, wrongdoers. So let's see the explanation of this part. Musa al-Islam was their biggest benefactors. I mean, the one who did so much for them. Even then, right there in his presence and right after seeing miracles such as their rescues from Pharaoh, they worshipped the calf. Allah asked them, does your Iman tell you to kill the prophets or worship the calf? The reality is that you are the wrongdoers. Alif. So kindly somebody please revise this ayah also. Okay, brother Mustafa, please.
ولقد and indeed جاءكم came to you Musa بالبينات Musa was the clear signs ثم استحزتم then you took العجل the calf من بعده after him وأنتم ظالمون and you were wrongdoers.
Jazakumullah khaira. Let's see the lessons once again. Jews rejected the Prophet Muhammad Sallam message, saying that they will only believe in what was revealed to them in the Torah. Allah points out to the insincerity in their claim by saying, if you were truth followers of the Torah, then why would not have you killed the prophets and not worship the calf? Let's pray. Oh Allah, help me believe in the Quran firmly and follow the Quran sincerely and make a plan. Inshallah, I will accept the truth, whoever says it. Let's go for the Asma. Nabi, plural is Anbiya, and Nabiyun, it has two plural. Ijal, Ujul, Bayyan, Bayyanat. The three letter sound verbs are Kafara, Katala, Zalama. Yes, who would like to revise the 6 keys of them?
Sir, I can do that because
Yes.
nobody is doing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kafara yakfuru ukfur, kafir, makfur, kufr. Qatala, yaqtulu, uqtul, qatil, maqtul, qatl. Zalama, yazlimu, izlim, zalim, mazlum, zulm.
Okay. Kafara is the root letter. Bab is Nasara. It's not Fataha, it's Kasara. Nasara. So it is yakfuruna, it's mudare. From yakfuru, plural is yakfuruna. The next is katala. Kaf talam is the root letter. Bab is nasra. Here it is taktuluna mudare. Yaktulu, yaktuluna, taktulu, taktuluna. So it's taktuluna, plural mudare. Next is zod lam mim zalama. That is bab daraba. Here it has come zalimuna. It's a from zalim, zalimuna is a plural. The next is the weak letters and the hamza and repeated among them is hakka, kana, ja. Yes, who would like to revise the 6 key for them? Okay. Hakka, yahiku, hikka, hakik, dash, hak. Ha, kaf, kaf is the root letter and bab is daraba. Here it has come al hakku. So from hak, al hakku has come. Kana yakunu kun, kain dash kon. Kaf wa nun is the root letter and bab is nasra. Here it has come kuntum, madi. From kana, kanu, kunta, kuntu, kuntum, madi. The next is ja'a, yajiu, ji, ja'in, majiun, majiyatun. Here the jim, ya, hamza is the root letter, bab is daraba. It is ja'a, kum. Kum is a zamir remove, so ja is a madi verb. So let's proceed for the grammar. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, course 4, page 13, pointer C. Today we will continue in grammar the Jama Taksir, mean the broken plural. We saw in the Arabic grammar there are two parts, sarf and noun. In sarf there are two parts again. One is the verbs, other is the asma. In the verb we saw the feminine. This is QC4. So the feminine is fa'alat, taf'alu, if'ali, la taf'ali, fa'ilatun, maf'ulatun. Then we saw the mazid fi, one example for feminine, aslamat, tuslimu, aslami, la tuslimi, muslimatun, muslimatun. And then we did the duals, fa'ala, yaf'alani, if'ala, la taf'ala, fa'ilani, maf'ulani. Then we did the majhul for the 3-letter sumia, yusmo. For the mazid fi, we had example 4-letter unzila, yunzil. Then we did the karuma table. Karuma, yakrumu, ukrum. La takrum, karim, dash, krama. So these all was the verbs in sarf in our course. We covered, alhamdulillah. Then we started the asma. We started isme makan having 3 patterns, maf'al and with fatah, maf'il and with kasra, mufa'ala having a round third end. Then we saw the isme sifa. Isme sifa had 2 patterns, fa'ilun and lanun. And then fa'lanun. Then we started isme tafdil. It has again the fa'ilun and af'al or af'alu pattern. Then isme mubalgha, it has fa'alun, fa'ulun and fu'ulun pattern. Then we went to the Jama Taksir and we saw 8 patterns. Among them were afal, faul and fola. Today we will continue the Jama Taksir, and from the next class, inshallah, we will start the grammar part of concerning the choppers and the hammered letters. So in sarf, you can see we have covered the feminine, we have covered the dual, we have covered the passive and karuma. They all were the afal. In asma, we covered the isme makan, isme sifa, isme tabdil, isme mubalgha, and we continue the jama taksir, which will complete our sarf part of the QC4. Then we will start Nav. Among Nav, we will have studied the chopper letters and the hammer. In previous lesson, we learned Jama Taksir. Just we say sound verbs by adding Waw Nun Ya Nun. From Muslim, Muslimun, Muslimin. From Momin, Mominun, Mominin. From feminine, Muslimatun, Muslimatun, Muslimatin. Then there was another called the broken plural or Jama Taksir. Just like Bayt, Buyut, Amal, Amal, Bakar, Bakar, Bakra, Bakar. And this pattern is also followed in other language. Just in English, we don't say men's, we say men. We don't say tooths, we say teeth. We don't say mouse, we say mice. Now, look, this is a noun Muslimun, is a singular masculine word. When a single masculine word comes, we use pronouns single, just like huwa, hu, haza, zalika, allazi, and the verb is also single. Fa'ala, yafalu, fa'il. When we make it plural, its plural is Muslimun. When get the Muslimun plural, we bring the pronouns plural. Hum, haulai, ulaika, allazin, and the plural verb. Fa'alu, yafaluna, fa'iluna. For single, we have the single pronouns, and for plural, we have plural. That is the general rule. But there is another problem. When, for example, this is the word baytun. It's a single and masculine. So we say huwa, hu, haza, zalika, allazi, fa'ala, yafalu, fa'il. No. But when we make the plural, its plural is not jama salim. It's come on maksur, bayutun. The moment it make the bayut in different pattern from the Jama Salim, it get as a punishment. This word is treated as single feminine. And instead of taking its plural masculine, we say it's a feminine and single. So we bring the single feminine pronouns. Hiya, ha, hazihi, tilka, allazi, allati, etc. And what about the verb? Verb again we bring as a feminine single. Fa'alat, tafalu, fa'ila. Though the word is plural and masculine, but as a punishment, it's getting the pronouns, the ismu ishara, all single feminine. And the verbs also single feminine. Madi, mudari, amal, all coming single feminine. Now let's do some exercise to understand this concept. Here we have a sentence, huwa baytun wa fihi abadun. Baytun is a single masculine word. Abadun is a single masculine. Let's to convert them plural. So what will be plural? Plural will be buyut and abad. This is taksir, broken plural. So instead of we bringing haulai, we will bring what? Feminine. Fihi, we will bring fiha. So we say hiya bayutun wa fiha ibadun. Though bayutun is a plural, ibadun is a plural, and both are masculine, but we are using with them pronouns hiya, feminine single. Fiha, again single feminine. Looks another example. Haza baytun. Let to convert into plural. So what will be the plural of now?
Hajihi.
Buyutun. Buyutun is a
feminine.
taksir. So we will
Buyutun.
bring the feminine single. That will be hazihi buyutun. Zalikal baytu. So what will be the plural now in this case?
Tilka buyutun.
Tilka buyutun. If we have a al baytul lazi, how you will convert into plural?
Al bayutul lati.
Good. Asbahul baytu jadidun. Asbah is a single masculine word. Al baytu is a single masculine. Jadidun a single. All are masculine single. But when we convert into plural, it becomes from al bayt bayut. As a punishment, it will get a feminine single. From asbat, it become asbahat. We've had tasak. From jadid, it become jadida. So we will say asbahatil bayutu jadida. Because al-bayutu is a taksir, broken plural. So we bring a feminine word single we bring a feminine word single. Yusbahul bayutu jadid. How you will make it plural?
تصبح,
تصبح
right?
البيوت جديدة.
Yeah.
Yusbih will change into
Yeah.
tusbihu. Al-jadida will change into jadida. And al-bayut will change into al-bayutu. We say tusbihul buyutu jadida. Baytun wasyun. How you will make it plural?
بيوت واسعة.
Buyutu
واسعة.
wasiyatun. Wasiyatun. We will make it a feminine singular.
Mhm.
Huwa kitabun wa alayha kalmun. Kitab is a single. Kalam is a single. Masculine. Let to make it plural.
كتب
Kutub
كتب
and
then
aklam.
هي
So what now in as a punishment they will get instead of
هي كتب.
هي كتب
hiya kutubun wa
وعليها
alayha
أقلام.
aklamun. Haza kitabun. How you will make it plural?
هذه كتب.
Zalika kitabun. Make it plural.
تلك كتب.
تلك كتب.
Al kitabul lazi. Make a plural.
الكتاب التي right?
No.
الكتب
Al
التي
kitab is a single.
التي.
Make it plural. Al kutubu.
الكتب التي
Yes, you are right, brother. Asbahul kitabu kadima. How you will convert it into plural?
أصبحت الكتب قديمة.
Yes. Asbahat, it is a masculine, it will convert into feminine singular. Asbatil kutubul kadimatun. Yusbahul kitabu kadiman.
تصبح
Yusbihul
الكتب
kutubu kadimatun. Kitabun jadidun.
كتب جديدة.
كتب جديدة.
So remember when Jama Mukassar come of Ghair Akil. Ghair Akil mean those don't have sense. There are only three Akil. Insan mean the human, angels, and the jinn. They are the Akil. The rest, everything, living, non-living, whatsoever, they are Ghair Akil. When there is a plural of Ghair Akil, Jama Mukassir, as a punishment, that is treated as a feminine word, single. Just like Bayutu is a plural and masculine, but we are bringing with hiya, ha, hazi, tilka, lati. They are all feminine singular words. Fa'alat, taf'alu, fa'ila, again the single verbs, feminine. So with this, you can practice these rules using the different words that you studied in the last lesson. Just like zawjun mutahratun, we will say azwajun mutahrat. Kataba yadun, katabat aidi. Yad is a single, aidi is a plural, but it's a masculine. Yazdi nahar, tajri anhar. Anhar is a feminine, it's a masculine plural, but jama mukassir. So here we will have the 5 minutes break. Meanwhile, you can concentrate on that. What are the plural broken ism and what are the feminine in this ayah? So masajida is a plural, fiha is a feminine, akhraja. The same, please look on this ayah, concentrate while we will have the break of 5 minutes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Look here. Wujuhun. It's a plural of wujh. Wajah is a single. Wujuh is a taksir jama. So as a punishment, the khashiyatun feminine single, amilatun single feminine, nasibatun again single feminine, tusla is again a plural broken ism. So hamiyatun feminine, tuska again is a plural, and aniya again the feminine has come. Look on in this example. Nasibatun, again the feminine. Tusla, it's again a plural broken. Tuska, so aniya is the example. Hal ataka hadisul ghashiyah. Ghashia is the feminine. Wuju, Visa, Khashia, Amila, Nasiba, Tusla, Hamia, Tuska, Ania, all of that. Let's to have the workbook. Vayakfruna bima warahu. Vayakfruna, and they disbelieve in what is beside it. Bima warahu, beside it. Falima taktuluna anbiya. Then why did you kill the prophets of Allah? Let's to have the plural singular. Nabi, plural is Anbiya and Nabi'un. Bayyan, plural is Bayyanat. Ijal, plural is Ujul. So we did the sixth key of Kafara, Yakfuru, Ukfur, Kafirun, Makfurun, Kufrun. So it is Kafara is the root letter. Bab is Nasra, not the Fataha, Nasra. The next is Katala, Yaktulu, Uktul, Katilun, Maktulun, Katlun. The Kaf Talam is the root letter. Bab is again Nasr. Next is Zalama, Yazlimu, Islim, Zalimun, Mazlumun, Zulmun. Zad Lam Mim is the root letter and Bab is Daraba. Next is Qala, Yaqulu, Qul, Kailun, Makalun, Qalun. So Kaf Vav Lam is the root letter. Bab is Nasara. Hakka yahikku hikka. Hakikun dash hakkun. Kaf is the root letter and Bab is Daraba. Next is Kana yakunu kun kain dash kon. Kaf Nun is the root letter and Bab is Nasara. Ja'a yaji'u ij'i. Ja'in maji'un and majiyatun. So Ja'un dash majiyatun, sorry. Jim Hamza Ya is the root letter and Bab is Daraba. The next is A'amana yu'minu amin mu'min mu'man iman. So Hamza Mim Nun is the root letter and Bab is Ifal, pattern is Aslama. Anzala yunzilu anzil munzilun munzalun inzalun. Nun Zad Lam is the root letter and Bab is Ifal, pattern is Aslam. Saddaka yusaddiku saddik musaddikun musaddakun tasdikun. Sad Dal Kaf is the root letter and Bab is Taf'il, pattern is Allama. Ittakhaza yattakhizu ittakhiz muttakhizun muttakhazun ittikhazun. The Hamza Khazal is the root letter and Bab is Iftiyal. So how a broken plural of a thing, not a person, is treated? Grammatically, a broken plural of a thing, not a person, is treated as a singular feminine word. To remember this strange rule, you can connect it to the punishment that the plurality of this plural is gone and its gender is changed to feminine. Underline the broken plural words and feminine gender verbs in the Quranic verses given below. Bismillah. Hal ataka hadisul ghashiyah wuju'in yawmaizin khashiyah amilat nasiba tusla naran hamiyah tuska min ainin aniyah. Yes. What are the broken plural in this are the feminine gender singular?
Here broken plural. Okay.
Ghashia is the feminine. Wujuun is the plural broken. Khashia is the feminine single. Amila again it can be taken as a plural. And Nasiba is the feminine singular. Tusla we can take the plural. Hamia is the feminine single. Tuska we can take the plural. Ania is the single feminine. Okay, convert the given singular sentences into plural. Baytun wasi'un. So what will be the plural for this?
Buyutun wasiyatun.
Bayutun wasiyatun. Okay. Kitabun jadidun. Make it plural.
Kutubun
Kutubun
jadidatun.
jadidatun.
Okay. Al-baytul lazi.
Al-buyutul
Al-buyutul lati.
lati.
Buyutul lati.
Al-buyutul lati. Okay. Haza kitabun.
هذه
هذه كتب
كتب كتب I mean
الكتاب
كتب.
الذي.
الكتب
كتب
التي
التي
Good. There are some letters or words when they come before a mudare, they change the mudare dhamma into fatha. They are called nawasib. They convert the mudare into mansub, giving its fatha. One of them is lan. It means never ever. Example is lan yaf'ala. It was yaf'alu. Actually, you know, the mudare have dhamma at the end. Yafalu, tafalu, tafalu, afalu, nafalu. They all have dhamma. But when the lan came, it came lan yaf'ala. It changed the dhamma of lam into fatha. There is another one, an. An means so or thus. Look the example. Amartuhu an yazhaba. It was yazhabu, tazhabu, tazhabu, azhabu, nazhabu. But an changed it dhamma into fatha, an yazhaba. There is another one called izn. It can be written in two types, izn or izn with fathatan. It means when so. Izn sa'akrahu. It was sa'akrahu. Who is the zamir? Remove it. So Hamza was having dhamma. But the izn come, it changed the dhamma into fatha, it become izn sa'akra. Another one is kai. Kai means so that. Kai tusbiha ka. Here the change is on the ha. Tusbihu. Ka is the zamir attached. So ha is the actually change from dhamma into fatha. The next one is hatta. Hatta means until. Hatta tattabi'a. Mudari was tattabi'u. The ha was having dhamma. But due to hatta, it become hatta tattabi'a. Li, it's a tafar, the stress, lamit takid. It means so far. Li ashraba. It was ashrabu. Li came, change the ba, dhamma into fatha. Li ashraba. وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ يَا مُوسَى لَن نَصْبِرَ عَلَى طَعَامٍ وَاحِدٍ. Find out the word in this and the change word mudare.
Lan nasbira.
Lan is
It
the
was
letter
nasbir.
nawasib and nasbira is the change because it was nasbiru. Lan tanfa'akum arhamukum wala awladakum yawmal qiyamah.
Tanfa, right? It should be
من
tanfa'u, but it's
تنفعكم
tanfa.
Tanfa'ukum. Kum is the zamir. Remove it. So tanfa'u has been changed into tanfa'a. Lan tanfa'a. Inna allazina tad'una min dunillahi lan yadkhulu zababun wala tama'u lahu. Yes, find out the letter and the change verb.
It should be yaklukuna, but it
لن
is yakluk,
يخلق
Yes. Yakhlukuna
right?
change into yakhluku due to lan. Inna Allah ya'murukum an tazbahul bakara.
Same thing, sir. Maybe
Because of
أن
tazbahuna.
Tazbahuna
تزبهوا
change into tazbahu.
تزبهوا
An tasumu khairul lakum.
Tasumu
تصوموا
becomes
An is the
tasumu.
letter and tasumuna has changed into tasumu. Qaddimat laki afhamu al-Qur'ana. Afhamu al-Qur'ana.
Afhama, right? Afhama.
ألهم أبهم
Kai is the actually li and kai both are the letter causing change, and it was afhamu has changed into afhama. قلت لزيد هذا الكتاب مفيد فقال إذن سأقرأه.
Sa'akra.
Isn't
Akra.
Akra'u is akra'a.
Akra,
لن أجلس حتى يأذن المعلم.
Lan ajlisu
لا
is
أجلس
lan
لا
ajlisa.
أجلس
أجلس
What
and
about حتى?
also
حتى يأذن
يأذن. Yeah, it should be يأذن, but it is يأذن.
جعل لكم الليل والنهار لتسكنوا فيه ولتبتغوا من فضله.
So is it لتسكن?
لتسكنون then it becomes
Yeah.
لتسكنوا
But it is
Litabtaghuna.
Taskununa has been changed into taskunu due to li, lame takid. It was tabtagu due to lame takid. It has become li tabtagu from tabtaguna tabtagu. Okay, let's to have our answer question exercise. Unzila alayna mean descended upon you, descended upon them, descend upon us, descended upon us, ABCD. Unzila alayna.
D.
descended upon us. D.
Descended upon us. Alayna on us. Lima ma'ahum. That which is with him, that which is with them, that which is from them, that which is with us, ABCD.
B.
B. That which is with them.
Falema taqtuluna. So why do you kill? Singular. So where do you kill? So why do you kill? So why do you used to kill? ABCD.
C, right? I don't know.
Where do you, yeah, see.
Bani Israel used to say regarding belief in that we believe only on Quran, we believe only on Quran, we believe on everything, we refuse everything except the Torah.
Is it D?
D. We believe, we refuse everything except Torah.
Except Torah.
Allah told Bani Israel origin by asking if they are true, then why you dash love with last Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, killing prophets, worshipping calf, following the Quran, ABCD.
It should be B and C,
B,
right, sir?
B.
B and C.
Worshipping calf and
Oh.
killing the
No,
prophets.
B and
It's not
C.
the following the Quran, it's killing the prophets and worshipping the calf. Next, it is in the truth that Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam will come, will not come, will say truth, will preach towards Allah, ABCD.
A, C, D.
A,
A, C, and D, all the
C, D.
Summa takhaztumul ijla, so they made calf their Lord, so they made calf your Lord, so you made calf your Lord, so they made calf Lord, ABCD.
Should be A.
So you made.
So you
You
made
made,
calf
your
your Lord. Tumma
Yeah.
ittakhaztum
Okay.
ismadi. इसमें फाइल ऑफ हक का इज याहिकु हक इहकिक हकीक ABCD.
Haqiq. Haqiq. We just learned,
Haqiq,
right,
okay.
sir?
اتخذ فعل امر is اتخذ اتخذ متخذ متخذ ABCD.
B. It's
Ittakhis.
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 Plural of ijal is ijleen, ijloon, ujul, ijlat ABCD.
Ujur, C.
Why the
Ujul.
broken plural is known as broken? Because such strange rules are in every language. It does not break rules. It is sound plural. It breaks rule ABCD.
A.
It's such strange rules, sir. Yeah,
We have two answers. Such strange rules are in every language, and more it breaks the rule, so it's called the broken
Rules.
plural.
Okay.
The broken plural is like sound plural, feminine dual, feminine singular, feminine plural, ABCD.
C.
Yes, feminine singular.
feminine.
Al-buyut mean many houses is specific, houses is specific, many houses common, house common, A, B, C, D.
B.
A. Many
A.
houses
Many
Many is
houses.
specific.
because
Alif
R
Lam
is
mean
there.
specific. Ibadun mean slave common, slaves common, slaves specific, slave is specific, A, B, C, D.
B.
Slaves common because not al-ibad.
هل تصبح البيوت جديدة؟ نعم تصبح البيوت جديدة. نعم يصبح البيوت جديدة. نعم أصبحت البيوت جديدة. نعم يصبح البيوت جديدة.
A.
Good.
A, yeah.
Books mean kitab, al-kitabu, kutub, kutab, A, B, C, D.
Kutub, right?
Kutub.
C.
Kutub. C.
هل أصبح الكتاب قديما؟ نعم أصبح الكتب قديمة. نعم أصبحت الكتاب قديمة. نعم أصبح الكتاب قديمة. نعم أصبح الكتاب قديمة. A, B, C, D.
A, sir.
نعم أصبح الكتاب. نعم أصبح
تصبح
الكتاب.
الكتاب قديمة.
Tabu, yeah.
تصبح
نعم.
الكتاب القديمة. Masajid Allah mean Allah's mosque, Allah's mosque, near Allah's mosque, near Allah's mosque, A, B, C, D.
Allah's mosque. A.
A.
It's plural, Allah's mosques.
Mosques. Yes.
Wasafi kharabiha, you try to rein and try to rein them, and they try to rein them, and he tried to rein them. A, B, C, D. Rein mean bring them together.
B, right?
And try to reunite them. 7 homeworks are known to you: 2 of tilawat, 2 of studying book, and the pocket book repetition 5 times in a day. Listen to 1 hour concise MP3 recording of the QC1. Talk with your study partner every day, at least 1 ayah or 3 new words of Arabic, and recite different surah in Salah. Remember, you are chosen. Pray for yourself. Say, Rabbi zidni ilma, and pray for the coursemate and class fellows too. If you do not watch the videos continuously, then it is effective to learn that. Gather your 2 or 3 or 10 friends and watch the video together. Where the word alim come, stop it, pause it, the video, and practice on it. The expert teachers are available on our website. Learn with your whole family or teach your kid from www.understandquran.com. The best way to learn is to teach. Don't let the PowerPoint start teaching from the same site. Teachers training and material is also available on the same site. So let's pray. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdika. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. اللهم اغفر لنا قبل الموت وارحمنا عند الموت ولا تعذبنا بعد الموت ولا تحاسبنا يوم القيامة إنك على كل شيء قدير. Allah Hafiz. If you people have any question, you can ask the question. Otherwise, inshallah, next week on Friday, we will have the revision of the mid quiz. On Saturday, you will have the mid quiz. Today, it is 10. Isn't so? What is the date today?
Sir, 9.
9.
Sir.
9.
So, and tomorrow is the 10, and your mid quiz be on 17.
Same time, sir. 9:20. Same time.
Huh?
I mean, on 17th.
Yes, of
Same
course.
time, right? Oh, sorry, 9:20 for me. Sorry. Like
9 is today, 10 is tomorrow. We will complete the third page tomorrow, 10. After 7 days, that is 17. 17 will be the coming Saturday. You will have the mid quiz. And on 16, that will the Friday, you will have the revision of the mid quiz. So if you have any questions, your questions are